Hello friends, today we will discuss the different types of RNA and their functions in detail. Let's see some structural details of RNA in brief. Friends, RNA is a long chain of nucleotides joined by phosphodiester linkages. As we know, the chemical components of the RNA are ribose sugar, phosphate group and nitrogenous bases. There are four types of nitrogenous bases that are present in RNA, that are adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Generally, RNA molecule is a single stranded, but they may fold or coiled upon itself to form double stranded region. So friends, this is all about the general structure of the RNA. Friends, as we know, there are two major types of RNA, that are genetic RNA and non-genetic RNA. Genetic RNA serve as a genetic material of some viruses, and non-genetic RNA play important role in cellular functions. Friends, there are three major types of non-genetic RNA, that are mRNA means messenger RNA, rRNA means ribosomal RNA and tRNA that means transfer RNA. Firstly, we will discuss about the messenger RNA. Structurally, mRNA is always simple and straight without any fold. It carries message for protein synthesis from DNA to ribosome. mRNA is nothing but the photocopy of the DNA in which just T is replaced with U, that means uracil. On mRNA, linear sequence of nucleotide is present and group of each three nucleotide present linearly on mRNA called triplet codons. These triplet codons code for specific amino acids. This is called as the genetic code. Friends, in the present figure, we can observe the general structure of the mRNA. The codon present at 5' end of the mRNA is called as start codon or initiation codon. It is usually AUG or sometimes it may be GUG. So AUG acts as a start codon and it also codes for the amino acid methionine. Friends, you should keep in your mind that methionine is always the first amino acid which is added in the any type of polypeptide chain. Then other codons which codes for different amino acids are arranged linearly on the mRNA. And at the 3' end there is a stop codon. It is also known as termination codon or nonsense codon. Termination codons are either UAA, UAG or UGA. These three codons does not code for any amino acid, therefore it is also known as nonsense codon. Termination codons are the signals to stop the synthesis of polypeptide chain. So this is all about the general structure of the mRNA. Let's see the general structure of rRNA or ribosomal RNA. rRNA is a single stranded structure which is variously folded upon itself, and in folded region complementary base pairing may occur. rRNA remains associated with the ribosomes permanently. We know that ribosomes are the protein synthesizing machinery. There it helps in proper orientation of mRNA on ribosome so that all the codons are properly arranged and read. You can see the general structure of the RNA in the figure. The single stranded RNA molecule is variously folded upon itself and the complementary base pairing may take in folded region. About 80% of the total cellular RNA is of this type. And finally, we will discuss about the tRNA, that means transfer RNA. tRNA molecule is also a single stranded molecule, but it folds upon itself. It shows two patterns of folding upon itself. First is hairpin model and second is clover leaf model. You can observe both the models in the figure. The hairpin model is proposed by Hoagland and clover leaf model is proposed by Holle. The anticodons present on tRNA are complementary to the codons present on mRNA, and it carries specific type of amino acid towards the growing polypeptide chain based on this codon-anticodon binding. You can see in the present figure how anticodons on tRNA recognizes the codon on mRNA, and it brings the specific type of amino acid which codes for that codon on mRNA. tRNA places the required amino acids properly in sequence, and it translates the coded message of mRNA in terms of amino acids. These are the smallest type of the RNA, and it is also known as soluble RNA. This is all about the tRNA. Friends, hope you get the different types of RNA and their functions. Thank you.